Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Luna Classic Update. Back when we were trading near 12,000 here in this range right over there, and I tell you that it's coming down to probably 6,658, you wouldn't have believed it. But now the fact that it actually went down, made another flag here, popped down, and probably making another flag just to pop to the downside and come to 7,491. I kind of see it dropping all the way down to 6,605 something. I think there could be a flash crash in crypto, who knows, and then eventually go all the way to the downside. The EMAs also show that the 10 is actually being heavy right now. Okay, you're trying to cross the 10, but the 10 is also acting as if it's the biggest resistance. Went down, came up, touched the 10, got rejected, came up, touched the 10 again, got rejected at the moment. So yes, pending target, and we may probably be looking at 6651 in the next coming few days, or probably next month. And that's it for this very quick update on Luna Classic. Invalidation for me still remains that, all right, let's actually just say if you do end up coming to 12,891, Luna Classic is going to invalidate the target to go downside. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.